Alright, so sometime between 1910 and 1920, let me get this camera to stop shaking on you, my great-grandmother taught in this place right here. Now, they had 1st through 8th grade, and after you got out of 8th grade, you'd have to take this test. And the test was to see whether you could go on to high school. And actually, in the old days, they didn't even have high school. You go right from 8th grade to college if you pass the test. But the 8th grade test, I have a copy of the 8th grade test, and it is tough. There's a lot of people now who are college students who could not pass the 8th grade test. So I am going to turn this camera around and let you see this building. Now, you see this? Look at that. It was built in 1872, and it's a red schoolhouse. There's where the bell was. They rang the bell when it was time for school to start, and you go in the doors. And I don't know how well we'll be able to see because you can't really get in there right now. Somebody spent a lot of money and time restoring it. And but I don't know how well we'll be able to see. But they had these old style desks, and you could just barely see. Here's one right by the window, and the seat for the desk in front of you was attached to your desk, and then your desk would have a seat behind it. If you look across the room, you can see some of the desks. So they're not like the desks in our room where see, now you're looking at me. I don't want you to see me. Yeah, it's hard to see. It's sad we can't get in this building. I'll try to see if I can get access to the building before I leave Maine. It'd be really cool. I think you guys would be fascinated. To be honest, a one-room schoolhouse was a lot like our class. Because in our class, you have people with all different levels, all different grades, and that's the way it was in there. And you'd have the kids that were more advanced helping the kids that were less advanced. So it's very interesting how the more things change, the more they really stay the same. And that's just how education is. So I'll be signing off now. Talk to you later.